Talk about diverging markets. What markets we have today? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Bottom Line. It is Monday, August the 31st, the last day of the month, and maybe some window dressing. Who knows? The new Dow stuff's in now. Apple's in the Dow, and the others are in the Dow now. Who knows? All I can tell you is that the NASDAQ is up big, the Dow is down big, the S&P is down slightly, and the Russell's down quite a bit. So at the end of the day, again, who knows why they do what they do? Who knows where they're buying what? In the end of the day, we're net long everything, and that we will stay there until it changes. There's nothing to talk about here. We're going higher for now. I mean, this week I certainly expect probably a pretty substantial down day at one point. But again, what day and what effect will have that, we don't know. And we will continue to stay in the positions that we carry because at the end of the day, that's where we are. So we're not interested in trying to time the market or figure out when. We will stay with the trend. It's that simple. The metals are, again, also mixed today. Gold has been pretty volatile all over the place, but it is slightly lower now. Silver is up nicely. Platinum's in the middle. In the meantime, we remain short gold and silver, long platinum. But again, the silvers could be close enough. I mean, if a rally continues, it will probably change. But again, we're not going to assume. We're going to go ahead and wait until it happens. Again, we don't get involved during daily volatility. We worry about the end of day. So here we are in the same positions. Natural gas a little bit lower, copper's higher, the dollar is lower, and naturally we see nothing unexpected about any of that. The overall market is just kind of slight trading. It's the last day. It's Labor Day next weekend. So we're going to see probably very quiet action. In the meantime, the grains are up nicely. Now, I expect a little pullback in grains here. Maybe not today, but the next couple of days, just because of the size of the rallies, not because we're changing. And remember, we don't want markets to go straight up because we know the faster they go up, the faster they turn around. We want them to go up in a nice, solid trend. We're long across the board, and they are moving up perfectly. So a little bit of a pullback is just another buying opportunity. The meats, on the other hand, cattle is weak. The feeders are weak. Fats are slightly higher, live cattle, but we're short both. And neither look great at these levels. Now, again, we'll see if they change, but right now, neither look great. Hogs are up marginally, but they look a lot better. And of course, we are long the hog market. So when you look at the overall picture, the idea is not to try to predict, but let the price action dictate, which is exactly what we're doing. I could care less of what happens day to day inside of volatility. I'm just letting you know what I see as the markets play out during the day. But when we come to the end of the day, I have done nothing except intraday trade, the patterns I trade daily, but my long-term core positions are exactly the same, and they will be until at least tomorrow morning. So never try to change or outsmart or outguess the market during the day. Also, remember, family farms, great partnership with them. Again, I'm really excited. Hopefully, Illinois will someday open again. Probably not till after November, but again, we'll get together soon and bring you some fresh information as well. And our brokerage partners, I tell you every day, I do have other brokerage accounts, so I always want to be full disclosure. But overall, for our commodities and futures programs and products, there's nothing like CTG. A great customer service. They do all of our letter of direction trading. They're the only ones authorized to do so. And if you're doing it with somebody else, the models will stop for you. Because again, we are only allowing them to have the signals to do letter of direction trading. CTG, great customer service, wonderful operation. So again, if you're not trading it yourself, which if you're trading it yourself, you trade anywhere. If you're trading automatic, if somebody's trading it for you, you go through CTG. And then Tradier, for equities and options. Look, again, first of all, it's $10 a month. They had great customer service. We've got their API, so as we automate more and more, it's going to be a lot better. So first of all, you're getting a big discount to whatever you're paying right now, number one. Number two, you've got great products in the future coming out, plus great products that we're automating now. Why would you want to pay more than $10 a month? And our commodity report, Andy Hecht, there's nothing better than Technomental. He brings you information that nobody even realizes, gives you long-term calls, but also some of it based on technicals. You get it all with him from an evaluation standpoint. Technomental, it's at BUBBATrading.com. Go check it out. And our high school program, patreon.com/BubbaTrading, as we try to rebuild it for next year. Again, that's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. And that'll be it for today. Have a great day, everybody.